What's up, YouTube? This is Extreme Scratchers coming at you with a video on these brand new 7's that came out. We got the Ultimate, the Mega, the Super, and the Winning 7. A $20, $10, $5, and a $2. And on this one, I got number 1. This one, I got number 5. And on these bigger ones, I got 000 on both of them. So hopefully we can get a good win here. I'm going to try and do them here. I'm in a different vehicle, so I don't have my normal stuff to do them. So let's see what our winning numbers are. I'm going to scratch those off. Okay. And now what I'm going to try and do is see if we can get a match on these cards. So we got a 16 on that one. 37. 42. Sorry guys, I know this is kind of crazy trying to do it this way. 44, that's not a match. 14, no. But these are some cool looking new cards. I didn't know they were coming out. And I was standing there paying for my stuff. And I said, oh boy. So, yeah. So I got a couple cards. One each of the all brand new 7's. 12, 30, and the last one, 38. So there's not a win on there, but there is a bonus spot. Uncover a 20 for an instant 20 bonus into 25. So that one's not a winner. Now we'll do the $5 one. This is card number 5 on this book that I got. So someone else has already got the first 5. Well, first 4. Well, first 5, yeah, because the 000 to 1 to 4 is 5 cards. So let's see if we can get a win. It's 13, nope. 25, nope. 9, nope. 39, no. 21, no. 28, no. 30, no. 11, no. 16, come on. 15, looking for a match. 8, 36, no. 22, no. 44, 14, 42, come on, 2 more. 31, that's not a match. And the last one is 29, not a match. Okay. Let's check this bonus spot for a 50. And no, it's not there. So, all right. Now we're going to go to the $10 one. And it's always the same way. You got a 50x, 20x, 10x, and a 5x. And then you match. And there's also a bonus spot on this one of 100. Let's just go ahead and do this bonus spot. No, 101. Okay. All right. Let's uncover all of our winning numbers. See what they are. Now let's go looking for them. 15. Nope. These are ticket 0. So hopefully we'll get a win on one of these. 35. Nope. 46. No. Sorry it's all shaky, guys. I don't have my board or nothing with me to make it easier. Wish I did, but I had to work. I'm using to use the work vehicle today. I'm having to wait for some stuff to get done over here. And yeah. Yeah, I'm in actually Champaign Compo's area right now. I'm up off the 10 freeway. Up in, where was it? By Etiwanda. So, Compo, if you're listening, I'm in your area. I'm just north of the 10. What was it? Orange Street or something like that. Okay, 32, 48. Come on, let's get a win. It's nothing so far. 14. No, wait. That's 34. No, we still don't have that one either. 42. No. And the last one, 21. No. So the $10 one wasn't the winner either on 000. Well, let's do the last one, the $20 card. Let me put this one behind it. Hopefully it'll help stiffen it up a little bit. And we'll do this. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and unmark the rows of numbers that we're looking for. And 20. Hopefully we'll get a win on this one. So far I haven't seen anything. $14, 36, 55, 17, 5. Come on. Where's those symbols at? I want to see those symbols. Because you got 100x, 50x, 20x, and a 10x. So looking for that symbol on the very first card of the first book that was being sold at this store, the gas station I was at. A pesky little one. Come on. Okay. No symbols. Now we're going to look for matching numbers. 16 is the first one. Do we have a 16? 17. Nope. Next one. 52. We got 51. 59, 55. Nope. Next one. 42. Looking for that 42. Nope, don't see it. Next one. 35. 36. No 35. Wow. Come on, card 000. Give me a good luck. Give me some luck here. And next one's 29. 29. 28. Oh man, this really sucks. Next one's 37. 17, 27. And one left, guys. Hopefully this is going to be the one that wins. Let's cross our fingers. 38. 58, 48, 28. Ouch. So, the only way we're going to win is hopefully in this bonus spot for $250. That would be nice. Let's check it out. No frick. Well, at least I tried, guys. But these are the new ones that just came out. Unfortunately, I got one of each, and not one of them was a win. So, yeah. But those are fun-looking new cards. Enjoyed playing them. Didn't enjoy losing on all of them. But there you go, guys. That's the new ones right there. The Ultimate, Mega, Super, and Winning 7's. Yeah, they're fun. Very colorful. I like that. The fact that they're nice and colorful. So, alright, guys. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. These are fun to play. They're very colorful. I like them a lot. Please, give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe and leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the little bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you'll get notifications on when I go live and when I upload the new videos. But there's the new ones for you. You got the $20, $10, $5, and the $2 tickets. Yeah. I'll try and do tomorrow. I will try to do some more of these, because I get paid on Friday, so I pretty much know what I could spend tomorrow. Even though I just spent $10, $20, $35, $37, didn't win on one of them. But you never know what's going to happen. I could have got $500. You never know. So, right. So again, happy Monday Morning Madness, even though this is noon now. I already did the one for Morning Madness, but it's still Monday Madness, especially out there on the road. Be safe, be careful. Have a wonderful day. Thanks again for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button next to the subscribe. That looks like a little bell. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day. You are awesome. The best subscribers and watchers anybody could ever have. See you guys. Bye.